Welcome to another informative session at YT Genie, your virtual genie for all things YouTube. Today's topic? Thumbnails. Not the one on your hand, but the ones that make your videos pop on screen. In the vast ocean of YouTube content, these small yet powerful visuals are your lifeboats, helping your videos stand out and draw in viewers. And oh, there's a special treat waiting for you at the end of the video. So get ready to become a master of creating thumbnails that grab attention. Thumbnails can be the deciding factor between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past it. They are like the cover of a book, providing a sneak peek into your content. A well-crafted thumbnail not only grabs attention but also sparks curiosity, making viewers want to know more. Let's take a look at some trending thumbnail styles. Notice the use of bright colors, bold text, and compelling visuals. These elements are not chosen randomly. Bright colors draw the eye, bold text conveys the key message, and enticing visuals create a narrative. Together, they form a powerful combination that can significantly increase your click-through rate. The magic lies in that balance. Your thumbnail should be intriguing, but not misleading, creative, but not cluttered. It should reflect the essence of your video while also standing out on the crowded YouTube platform. Remember, the goal is to tell a story and entice viewers to click. So, unleash your creativity and let your thumbnails do the talking. Now, you might be wondering, how do I create such thumbnails? Well, you're in luck. There's a plethora of tools at your disposal, many of which are user-friendly and free. Two notable ones are Canva and Adobe Spark. Canva offers a wide range of ready-to-use templates, while Adobe Spark provides the option for more tailored designs. These platforms are intuitive, making it easy for you to add that bold text, bright colors, or enticing visuals we talked about earlier. You can customize your thumbnail to reflect the content of your video perfectly. It's all about trial and error, so don't be afraid to play around with different elements, layouts, and styles. The goal is to create a thumbnail that not only grabs attention but also aligns with your channel's aesthetic and your personal brand. So feel free to experiment and find what works best for your channel's aesthetic. And just like that, you're well on your way to creating thumbnails that pack a punch. We've covered how to choose compelling images, incorporate trending elements, and leverage handy design tools. But remember, the journey of discovery doesn't end here. Next up, we have a special surprise that'll take your thumbnail game to new heights. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and surprises from YT Genie. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your fellow creators.